director.
Invite natin Sir Stanley. Sir Stanley would like to invite you to please join us. Thank you very much.
Ayun, thank you for watching with us. This is actually your first time also all together watching it with you guys. So, super special to. And please, if you enjoyed it, please tell your friends, your family, your co-workers to watch it. May 1 na po nationwide. No? Thank you so much.
Okay ba? Natuwa ba kayo? Please post about it sa social media. Alam ko naman lahat kayo may Facebook, may Instagram, tsaka meron kayong mga TikTok. Upload it na lang. Huwag yung film, yung nagaganda kayo. Ang galing-galing ng ng cast natin, pati yung director natin.
Yes, first time namin panoorin. And ewan ko, parang hindi ko maiisip na ako yun. Hindi ako si Aika. Hindi ko lahat magagawa yun kung hindi dahil kay Direk and of course kay Marco. So, thank you. Thank you very much.
I don't know why. I don't know how many times I've done this, but I'm like super shy right now. I hope you guys liked it. Oh, there you go. Thank you. I hope you guys liked it. It was definitely challenging. Probably the best project I've ever got. And I was really glad that I did it with Gino, first of all. And of course, no one else than Hannah. And Stanley Chi, thank you for bringing this story to life. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
There you have it. Thank you very much. And this time we will have our Q&A right at this moment. So I have here list of names that I will call in for the questions. But after this, kung sino pa po yung may questions sa inyo, just raise your hand and we will give you the microphone. Alright, so for first question, it'll be coming from Mark Magalia of Maganda Ba Movie. Mark, okay, upstairs.
Grabe, nagsiselos nga ako dun sa kay Rose. Ano ba yan? Tapos nung nalaman natin na meron pala siyang girlfriend, tapos narinig ko rin lahat na so nakakatuwa lang na parang sobrang, alam mo yun, narinig ko yung tawa, yung mga iyak nila, or basta yung mga comments niyong lahat, narinig namin kanina. So ako natutuwa ako personally.
Yeah, no, definitely. Like, we just wanted to bring a story that people could relate to, and I hope. Have you guys related to the movie anyway? Yeah. Okay, we did a good job.
Yes.
It feels good. You know, sometimes with the projects you have, you feel cringe, and medyo hindi ka proud. But with this one, I'm definitely super proud of it. Really happy about it.
Okay, so I'm just wondering, saan sila nagkape?
Natin!
Yun na natin. Baka may sequel to. So, let's hope for the best. If it does well, I hope there's a sequel. Kasi dami pa nalang kwento na pwede puntahan. No? May lapse of 2 years in my future ba na nangyari. So, sana.
Ako alam ko kung saan sila nagkape.
Saan?
Doon sa Pula at Dilaw. Yung Pula at Dilaw.
Isa sila na ito.
Oh, sa McDo, din.
Sorry. Alright, for the next question, we have Falk Kanyamo, a TikTok content creator and an influencer.
First and foremost, congratulations to the parents. So, But then, kung isang question, kasi parang hanging question na yung last part. First part to me.
That depends on you guys, on how much you make noise and how much this gets across. As much as possible, ako, I love to work with Marco and Heaven again. I think marami pa akong pwedeng ikwento sa characters nila. So, sana. And I love that. No?
May title na tayo para sa part 2 kasi marami akong librong sinulat eh.
Oo, masarap yung balls na kinain ko doon. Kasi siguro 50% ng script or ng buong movie, parang si Direk, parang binibigyan niya kami ng freedom to like improvise. So basta nandun yung context, and maalala namin for the next shot. Ganun yung nangyayari. So, yes, actually, yung isa sa mga favorite scenes ko, yung kwek-kwek, kasi sobrang natural nung banter.
No, it was fun. It was definitely like the fact that I gave us again like the freedom to play with the lines, and a lot of the scenes there were ad-libs in it, and I think that's what made it in a way natural, just because it was freeing and it wasn't stick to the script. Even the fight. Have you guys noticed the sweat on the neck? Yeah, it was 3 hours long because of the different shots. But yeah, I love that improv kind of thing.
We found your reaction to that email. And lastly, my last question. Paano mo pinag-prepare sa privacy interview?
I used to not do this, but then Heaven taught me a way where kapag may heavy scene kami, tapos hindi kami okay, dun sa eksena, hindi niya talaga ako makakusap. Like, as in, she's gonna start acting mad towards me, or lagi na lang ako nagugulat kasi, shit, anong ginawa ko? Like, may sinabi ba ako na naman? Tapos check ko yung sequence kahit, mabigat, okay, you know, alam ko na. But, yeah, definitely, we have a way how to get ourselves into that moment, and we're just, you know, she gets all close up. Ako naman, automatic meron akong earphones, and you know, I would just start thinking how would it feel to lose Heaven, you know, and it just adds up.
Ako po kasi, favorite ko yung mga heavy scenes. So, for me naman, as long as alam ko yung nangyayari, yung storya, doon lang ako nakakakuhol. Pero malaking factor din na ginagawa ko to with Marco. Just because kilala na namin yung isa't isa. And yung mga away na yun, parang naging may time na, alam mo yung kaya namin makarelate, kumbaga. And so may panghuhugutan ako. Siyempre, ang ano yan is tulungan. It's about knowing na komportable kayo sa isa't isa para lumabas yung vulnerability. And I'm just so glad na I can do it with Marco, and of course with Direk at the time na sobrang patient niya sa amin. Binibigyan niya talaga kami ng panahon, kumbaga, na to get into character. Kasi, ano lang to, di ba parang one take? Yes, one take lang to eh. Madami ng shots pero one take. So, thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Pao Kanyamo, a TikTok content creator and an influencer. Up next, we have CJ Guada of CJ Says Blog.
Congratulations, Melissa. And it was fun. My question is for Stanley, Derek, Kevin, Marco.
Love it.
Oo naman. Oo naman. Pwede. Eh, kaya niya yung ginawa nila, nag-live-in.
It's always possible. Nag-analog ako and nakita mo rin ako sa taga-QC. So, a lot of sacrifices, but also communication is key.
Yeah. It's like, you know, now, maybe like a couple years ago, no, just because there weren't their phones, but now it's like you don't have an excuse. If you love somebody, you love, you know, you make it work. Doesn't matter where, doesn't matter how, you know, you sacrifice, you put in your time, you do everything for it. That should be your priority.
Totoo naman. Naisip ko rin ngayon na parang kahit nga hindi QC alabang kahit galing akong trabaho, kahit sobrang pagod na pagod ako, like 18 hours of work, pupuntahan ko pa rin yung taong mahal ko. Date pa rin kami kahit antok-antok na ako. So, alam mo yun, like, ang ending lang nun is, gaano mo kumahal. Yun.
Ayan. Entry ako doon. Love knows no boundaries. Next question natin. Kindly raise your hand if you have any questions for our cast, writer, and director. Okay.
Hello, I'm Anna Raymond. Question lang kay Miss Heaven kasi kami Trixie, tatlo kanina habang nanonood, we were discussing kung wig ba yung first hair mo. Actually, maganda yung transition ng hair mo. Una, kulot-kulot, then hindi na masyadong kulot, then yung last one is straight na hindi ka na haggard. Ibig sabihin sa last one. But dun sa una, was that wig or did you curl your hair?
Actually, namatay po yung buhok ko after. Totoo po lahat yun. Nakakatawa nga minsan, may scene na sobrang kulot, tapos biglang wavy. So, kailangan i-wave. And so, yes, hindi po siya wig. Ano siya, extensions naman. Pero talagang, yes, namatay yung buhok ko. So, hanggang ngayon, medyo patay pa rin siya.
Oh, nice. And observation ka lang na from your last movie na Sunny, ibang flavor yung ginawa mo doon. Tapos dito, ibang flavor din. So, kina-congratulate lang kita na you did very well sa acting mo.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Makaka-relate sila sa buhok mo kasi pag bagong sweldo, bagong liban.
Alright, we have a question upstairs. Sa gitna.
Someone who has not read that book, this book that was based our how much of the book, how the movie was based on the book?
The storyline kasi, ako yung nagsulat ng storyline. And then, pinresent kila direct. Siyempre, nagbago ng konti kasi, nag-pandemic, bago na yung way of life natin. So, iniba ng konti. Pero, parang inadapt pa rin yung storyline na unang binigay ko. Yun. Diba, direct?
No, yung talaga, it's really he said, she said, my point of view, different point of view talaga na I really wanted to place sa film yung what the guy thinks, si Dino, ano yung nasa mind niya, ano nasa mind ni Aika, and these things are their versions, no? We all have our own versions sa mga away natin sa relationship. So, dito makikita natin on both sides. Ano ba, team Aika ba kayo? Team Dino ba kayo? So, kapag-spark kayo ng conversation on sino kayo as a human being, no? Kung sino kayo mas nakaka-relate. So, dito, this film doesn't have any like big contrabidas or big conflicts. It's really internal. So, that's what I want to show in this film.
Salbahe lang yung boss, no?
Sa bahay si
Si Giselle eh, sa bahay.
Hindi niya ako pinromote.
Hindi ka pinamote.
Oo.
Ano po yung inspiration for you to write this book?
Biniligawan akong Tagalabang dati. O, yun na yun.
Siya yung taga-QCs, may
Oo.
alam. Ngayon nasaan na siya?
Hindi ko na alam eh. Wala akong balita.
Ako alam mo.
Wala.
Kunin mo sa akin. Cardio.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations po, Marvin, Derek, and Sir Stanley for this film. And napakaganda niyo po kasi. And I'm a fan of the book po kasi way back before. Pero hindi ko na alam nasan yung kopya ko. So, I'm just curious po, since napag-uusapan ng book, paano po na-develop yung character ni Aika and Tino? Since yung book po kasi is parang mga quotes lang, ganun. So, paano po siya nagawa?
Ayun. Well, nag-meeting muna kami ni Direk, pero may sinabit na akong storyline. And then sila, yung team na nila Direk, nag-meeting na rin sila, pinag-usapan, na based on the storyline na sinabit ko sa Viva. Yun.
Okay, thank you po. And for...
Si Aika and Tino, we really wanted, our ibang class sila. So, as you can see, si Tino yung mas mayaman, si Aika yung mas,
Limasa.
Middle class yan.
mas hardworking siya. She has something to strive for. So yun yung difference nila. So makikita natin kung the way of living and also yung mindset nila. Kung career nga ba talaga or learning for early nila. And then you see the switch between the characters, how they grow up. Eh yung problema ng isa, hindi na nag-grow up. Na-stuck siya doon.
Thank you so much to Derek and Sir Stanley. And next question po is for Marvin po. Ano po yung favorite scene niyo po dito sa movie nung ginagawa niyo? And ano po yung na-discover niyo sa isa't isa while filming the film?
Ako isa yung quick scene. Pangalawa is yung
May mga names din.
nasa bus kami. Tapos makikita mo din, di ba parang glimpses of yung nag-uusap kami, and then quick scene, di ba ganun siya. Kasi yung scene na yun, wala yun sa script. Tapos si Direk sabi niya, akala namin tapos na yung titingin-tingin lang kami ganyan. Tapos sabi ni Direk, oh, Aika, magtanong ka about Tino. So kailangan alam niya yung mga sasagot. Sa mga tanong ko, dapat alam ko rin yung story na nangyayari during sa buhay niya. And then siya naman, magtatanong siya about me. So, dapat alam ko rin kung saan nanggaling si Aika, paano, alam niyo yun. So, yun yung favorite scene ko actually. Tapos, lang si Derek, nasa bus lang kami habang nasa EDSA. So, yun yung favorite scenes ko.
Yeah, aside from the quick and kinetic, there was the boundaries one, the one about accepting the request. It was you did this thing, you know, and then I just felt so connected to you, and I was like, yeah, you're about to do this. I don't know, I love that scene. Also because that street is close to me. I used to live for the longest time in Mandaluyong, and I used to walk on the same bridge to Magano. So like the fact that I got to work there, it was, achievement. I would have never thought. Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to say, really. All the scenes were worth liking, I feel like.
Oh, siguro yung away scene namin, yung pinaka-away-away, yung dulo noon was an ad-lib. Yeah, that was an ad-lib. And so, parang kailangan lang namin supportahan yung isa't isa, yung mga kanon nila. Parang, shucks, binato niya to, so kailangan, alam mo yung ibabang So, I like those.